Who's your favourite player at the fives?
We're not using this.
Who's your favourite player at the fives?
I want a lawyer.
Hi, Alvin.
How you doing, Sam?
Alright, there you go.
Quick fire question, Sam.
What?
If you could have a five-a-side team, what? Any players in the world, best five-a-side team, who would you pick?
Right. Martinez, Saka,
Yeah. Yeah, he might be a decent five-a-side player, you know?
Messi.
Yeah.
Stick Jude in there as well.
Yeah.
Raya.
I want a lawyer.
Dida in goal. I'll go Pepe centre back. Need someone flinging people into boards and that.
Third. Anyway,
I'll go Zidane, Ronaldinho,
yeah.
Ronaldo up top.
Matt, pick a five-a-side team. Dead or alive, new or old.
You have to get back to me.
No.
I want a lawyer.
I
That's the other thing. I don't know. You can't just put me on a spot like that. Not prepared.
No preparation. This is it.
Van der Ven, Harry Kane, Modric, Bale, and then Joe Hart.
You reckon he's
What?
You reckon he's support Spurs?
Yeah.
Alisson,
Yeah.
we've got Ledley King, we've got Gerrard,
Yeah.
Modric, and probably Kane.
Reece in goal.
Another Spurs
Yeah.
fan.
Van der Ven, Ledley King, Moussa Dembele, and
Go on, Kane. Son.
Roberto Carlos,
Roberto Carlos.
Ronaldo,
Yeah. Which Ronaldo?
the old one.
Yeah.
Ronaldinho,
Yeah.
Ronaldo. So that's 4, isn't it?
That's 5. Wait. No keeper.
Buffon.
Wait, so that's 6. Where we going?
Take Ronaldinho away.
Take Ronaldinho away at the 5s.
What?
Oh. Alright people, welcome back to another episode of Citèh 5. You know what's going on, we're live. It's cold outside, I forgot my jumper on, my jacket got robbed, the chairman's warm, I'm cold, but you know what's going on. If by now you should have seen the last week's episode where we played Cobra Kai. Run the clips. Anyway, enough said about that. Today's a new week, we move on. We're back with 7 players today. The beauty of the 5s is you play someone a couple weeks ago, you get to play them again. It's time to get our get back. Sit back, get your tea, get your biscuits, put your feet up. Let's get it cracking, man.
Hey Riaz, you're starting.
Safe. I ain't got the right fucking boots.
What are they feeling like? Goals? Yeah, I know.
Whoa, they look like goals like that, is it?
That's what I'm saying.
Right.
That's what I'm saying.
They look like goals.
Alright people, straight into it. CC versus Mbeuno. It's the reverse fixture. Last time out, they smoked us out our boots. 22-6. It was a humbling defeat. I tried to start off again the same way.
Oh my days. Jeez.
Today we've got player cam on the boy Els, aka Chippendale, aka the originals. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what his view's like. H is on the way and we get punished. 1-0 early on. Anyway, H is coming forward. Getting a strike off. Keeper saves it with his chest. Last week missing Riaz, now Riaz is back. Plays on to the boy H. H to Liam. You know how that one finishes. Player cam. Cool, that's sweet. 1-1. Looks like we're back in the game. Chairman saying Liam had a good day. Looks like he did. Shot just wide. 1-1. They get another one. Let's get them early touches in. Credit to them, that ball was pretty decent. It broke the lines. But we can do that as well. Pass from back, caught out.
Someone to sit back the whole time.
Now they go forward.
Someone needs to be back.
Yeah, next one.
If you're on the side, you're on the bench. And I say, how come every team you play for, you're on the bench? And you get upset. Probably a prick. And then we played against them.
Matt gets on back. It's 3-2. We're in it. In it to win it. Then he goes and does that. They just seem to be finding the holes in the defence at the moment.
You don't get back before, come on.
That's H's big brother. We'll see when he comes on. Liam coming forward. It's unlucky. H in the corner with it. Now we back him to come out on top. Loses it, it's unlucky. Their player driving forward, but H gets it back. 4-2. Should have said 5.
Fuck me, man.
I want a lawyer.
5-2. Not gonna lie, that goal was a bit cheap still. We let him shoot from far, no good. And then they're coming forward. Sam with some double save out there. We start again. Ben's fired it into the boy there.
Tough last week with 5.
Luke, head right.
That guy takes one in the face, that one. Definitely got a hurt, boy. It's down bad. 5-2, we're about halfway through the half.
Better than last time.
They're currently moving the ball around, trying to get by, but
Well done, mate.
the way the man them are working right now.
Oh, no way.
We nick one back. 5-3. Looks like we're in the game still, you know, at the fires, anything can happen, it can all turn in the blink of an eye. You don't miss it. So make sure you're sitting back and you're watching closely. They're keeping the ball. They try and find the pass. Just like that. It's 5-4. Switch over to player cam. Liam, show us. 5-4, 1 goal in it. It's been a back and forth type of game. Not much clips, but somehow they keep finding their way.
Fucking unreal.
6-4. The guy that got hit in the face with the ball got to get an ice pack. Surprised he didn't go and get one earlier. I would have. Anyway, 6-4, they're moving the ball quite well. Just put that in the corner with his toe. Boy Liam, showing you how it's done. Gets a shot, it goes wide though. 7-4, Riaz just missed out. Tries to twist and turn me, can't do nothing. The boys get back. Great blocks. Anyway, Riaz driving forward. Finds Liam. Seven 5. 2 in it. Close game. Sam doing enough there. Makes him shoot wide. Sam doing enough again. Great save. That's half time appears. 7-5. 2 goals in it.
0-0, wasn't it?
Going forward, we're all right. It's defending, isn't it? It's defending.
Yeah.
Going forward, we're all right.
Riaz back on, innit? Yeah, same shit again, man. Just get closer to them, man. So far, so good. We're closer than we was last time, innit? Final score 22-6. Yeah, that was happening in the game. You get me? That one. That's it. Half time. Second half underway. 7-5. It's a close one. You know, if we can stick with our men and keep the ball, could turn out. Anyway, Riaz doing well holding that one there. I fired it into him. Ball just being moved around it. Riaz being strong, holding off his player. Gets it to H. H to big bro.
Mark is free men, Dylan.
Bit intricate play here, slow down. Ball just being moved around here, trying to find a way. Ben finds his way forward, gets a shot off, keeper saves. Now it's been a back and forth type of game. We go forward, they go forward. If we can find a goal, better. If they can find a goal, that's what happens. 8-5. Just avoided the challenge there. Bring it back to the boy H. He's had a shot. She's dragged it wide. And again, somehow they're coming forward. They try to slice it across. It's no good. Ben gets one back for us. 8-6. Again, 2-goal game. He knows what he's done there. I'd have done it myself. Put it on dark arts. 8-6. Little one, ball is being moved around. Came to the intricate finish. The boys are working hard now. 8-7. 1 goal in it. Hits, clips his ankles. Sends him to death row. Mbeuno start again. Told you it's been a back and forth type of game. We go forward, they go forward.
Hey, save Sam!
Sam with a great save. Show you from a different angle. Riaz taking his boy for a jog down the line. Comes inside, finds Liam. Liam to H. H finding Liam again.
Unlucky.
I'm not gonna lie, I put my house on by H scoring that one. Still, I'm not gonna lie.
He was always trying.
Exactly.
Drive car.
Punters on the sideline, no, he's saying
There's no
Liam's tired.
talking now.
That's the thing.
You've got to track your man.
There we go.
Too easy.
Ben said it on the sideline, you got to track your man. We've lost that man there. So he puts one in the back of our onion bag.
Oh, it's fired that into it.
9-7, ball fired into the other team. Chairman on the side saying talk to each other. They get another one.
Oh my days.
10-7. Just when we're getting back into it, we're going to slip the lead. Maybe it's because we're trying to attack too much. Or maybe we just lost concentration for a little second. But now we're climbing up the mountain again. Anyway, 10-minute shot from Matt. He knows he's got to do better there. Anyway, 10-7. One uphill battle. But here we are. You know we don't give up until the fat leg sinks. Hate's coming forward. Driving. Wouldn't let him do that. 10-8.
I remember last time you called it.
Back to two goals. That one's been sent to the boy Els. The slow down. H hasn't. 10-9. Back to 1 goal difference. 10-9. At this point here though, we're deciding what subs to make. Thinking that there's 10 minutes left, so there's still time for like 2 more subs. I got it wrong. I made the wrong
One
call.
thing we're fucking good
I
at.
say that, but I say this as well.
Right.
Everyone who's here is good enough to win a game of football. Saying that,
Go all the way home.
this happened.
Get it.
11-9, and with the game coming to a close,
Nine kick
the
off.
fat lady's
Yeah,
gonna
I ain't
sing.
going pub after.
And this leaves us in a mad position in the table, in the league.
Hey bro, well done man.
Thank you for tuning in. See you next week, man. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and all of that jazz. Big up yourselves and big up everybody. Also, apologies we haven't done as well this season. The get back is on.
11-9 in the end. No, I said last time.
You said one more sub. You said late sub, but one more sub. That's why I made the sub. I would have stayed off.
11-9.
Come, let's get a picture and cut. Come on. You gotta get in it.
You have to get. You played. You have to get in it.
Man said the haircut, it's too late. Calling the caveman. My bad, I thought there was one more sub in it. No, I asked him.
Cheese.
He said one more sub.
Thank you. They sit there and run for their money.
Could have won it.
Yeah. It's possible.
Wrong decision. You know when they say to Jose, are you feeling the pressure? No, I'm not feeling the pressure.
You sound as though you're feeling the pressure.
I'm not feeling the pressure, no. You cannot put pressure on me, no chance.